Welcome back, players. Today I'm at the Muscatatuck Urban Training Complex in Butlerville, Indiana for American Milsim's Arsenal. For this event, I've brought along a brand new weapon, the GOTAK EUD, which is a cloud-based GPS system that allows me to see the battlefield in real time. I utilize the GOTAK GPS to get my bearings and quickly realize I'm situated next to Command Point 6, close to the edge of the facility and just on the other side of a friendly controlled mobile aid station. The likelihood of an enemy push at this intersection is almost certain. It doesn't take long before an enemy patrol is in my sights. With the high ground, concealment, and the element of surprise, I should be able to hold off the squad without taking incoming fire. Although I've got limited range due to hop and feeding issues, I'm still able to maintain combat effectiveness and manage to hold my own by falling back and using my KMCS ghillie to stay hidden.
Down the road from the aid station. I need help.
Friendly reinforcements are on the way. Hopefully they make it in time.
Backside.
Falling back one more time, I gladly run into friendly reinforcements.
Coming down, heavy! Big squad! 10 deep!
Hey, other side, from the left.
They can't see us right here, dude. I don't think we can go in. Yeah, we got a saw.
Yeah, they got a saw now.
Now that the streets have become a battle zone, I decide to venture into the thick Indiana woods in hopes of catching the enemy saw gunner in the open.
Alright, you got me.
After dusting the point men in two separate squads, I leave the comfort of the woods and find myself deep behind enemy lines, with absolutely no one guarding the command point. I take a moment to update the cost command that CP6 now belongs to the green team. This way I don't have to break radio silence and possibly give away my position.
Really, dude? Oh, that's so quiet.
All right, I got him.
With the scattered amount of tan players in the area, I realize their front line is ahead of me and their respawn is behind me. This area is about to get real hot real quick.
searched?
No.
You got anything? I got it. Oh, I'm hit. I got a dead rag somewhere. I think I lost it.